Hey there, my name's Dustin with DashSkin. If your dashboard looks like this, then you've come to the right place. Today I'm going to guide you through everything you need to know before you order your DashSkin. First things first, let's talk compatibility. Our DashSkin model is compatible with a range of GM truck models.
Before you place your order, there's one critical detail you need to check to ensure you order the correct skin. Open up your glove box. Inside, you'll find a service parts identification sticker on the glove box door. Look at the bottom right of the sticker. There's a 3-digit code there. That's your trim code. The first 2 digits of the trim code will determine which color DashSkin you should order. If your trim code starts with 92, please text DashSkin a photo of your dash that looks just like this to 918-940-8900 for confirmation, as this code could indicate 2 different colors.
Now, let's address some of the most commonly asked questions we get about our product. What is a DashSkin? Well, a DashSkin is a hard plastic dash cover molded precisely to the shape of your dash. It easily installs over your cracks and holes like a shell to make your dashboard look brand new. 2. What's included?
You get a DashSkin. You also get a very detailed install guide and a tube of glue.
Does it come with clips or screws? No, a DashSkin is meant to install over your existing dash using the included adhesive, so no mounting hardware is required. My dash is destroyed. Can I still use a skin? As long as you still have the outer edges of the dash intact to mount the skin to, you can use a DashSkin without issue.
Does the texture and color match? You bet. Our covers have the same texture used on the original dash. And as for color, we match it as closely as possible. Sometimes it may land a shade lighter or darker depending on how faded your dash is. And there you have it. That's everything you need to know before ordering your DashSkin and giving your vehicle's dashboard a new lease on life. If you have any other questions, please reach out to our support team and we can answer any of those questions about it. Thank you.